Hello, dear. Hope you are doing great as always. Till now, you have seen many modules and would have observed the importance we lay on communication. So, today's important question that we need to ask ourselves is: am I able to create that perfect setting in my classroom using communication? चाहे क्लास क्लासरूम में हो या ऑनलाइन, the tone of your voice, the way you interact, how the communication happens has a major role to play in the overall result of the class, not just as cause but also in the form of better engagement. So, what exactly is communication and why communication within the classroom is so important? Very simply put, communication is the act of conveying meaning from one person to another. एक से दूसरे तक किसी मीनिंग को पहुंचाना कम्युनिकेशन है. वी यूज कम्युनिकेशन टू गिव मैसेजेस, इंस्ट्रक्शंस, suggestions, feedback, and many more. We are talking about communication within classroom because it is a very important but mostly neglected component of a class. ये ना सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स को बल्कि टीचर को भी बहुत हेल्प करता है. इससे क्लास में ओवरऑल एक पॉजिटिव माहौल बनता है जो कि सीखने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Having clear and healthy communication within the classroom is extremely important if we want to make sure that learning is happening the right way. जितनी छोटी क्लासेस शुरू करें उतना अच्छा. Students learn a great deal from their teachers and good communication is one such thing. Let's start with types of communication. So, communication inside a classroom can be of three types: verbal, non-verbal, written. Written communication is very limited in our day-to-day classrooms and is usually seen only in a few situations, like writing a note of instructions or complaint, giving feedback after or during assessment, writing remarks in the report card, etc. I mean, how frequently do we write something to convey a message? So, today in this module, we are going to focus on everyday communication, that is, my verbal and non-verbal communication. I would definitely suggest कि अगर आपका फीडबैक वो करिश्मा नहीं कर पा रहा जो आप चाहते हो, then please refer to the module constructive feedback, feedback that actually helps. अगर मैं खुद अपसेट हूँ या फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हूँ तो मैं क्लास में अच्छा माहौल कैसे बनाऊंगी? It's believed that an angry and frustrated teacher brings no good to the class. Learning does not happen in hostile environment. तो मेरा कीवर्ड यहाँ है environment. Communication plays a key role in setting a learning environment. Okay, let us consider two scenarios now. First, where students are waiting for the bell to go so the period is over and the teacher leaves, or where the teacher has to keep shouting, or basically the students just want to go home. दूसरा scenario, where the students are smiling and so is the teacher, where nobody needs to shout, where we all feel accepted and want to be in that class. It's very easy to say कि ये दोनों सिनेरियोज अलग अलग स्कूल के हैं, बट ये सेम स्कूल के हैं एंड सेम क्लास के हैं. डिफरेंस इट्स द टीचर and the environment that the teacher creates. So, good communication makes children want to come to school, makes children feel accepted, makes children trust their teachers and learn better from them, creates better relationships in classroom, and promotes team building. Overall, it improves productivity and develops a culture of positivity and learning. मुझे यकीन है कि अब तक आप मेरे साथ हैं एंड अग्री कर रहे हैं. लेकिन हम ये भी सोच रहे हैं कि वी ऑलरेडी डील विद द स्टूडेंट्स द बेस्ट वी कैन. सो हाउ टू मेक इट बेटर? ओके, let us just go through that. First, verbal communication. किसी भी रिश्ते को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनने के लिए 3 चीजें मस्ट हैं: लविंग कम्युनिकेशन, एप्रिसिएशन एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन सेट्स द बेस फॉर दिस. क्लास में बोलचाल और उसके लिए कुछ आसान टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स. एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ फीलिंग. Effective communication is 20% what you know and 80% how you feel about what you know. So focus on the how, which we usually ignore. Be kind, supportive, remove sarcasm from your tone completely. All we need is to develop awareness and सोचिए कि इसको अच्छी तरह से कैसे कह सकते हैं. Self disclosure. अच्छे टीचर्स अपनी जिंदगी से भी खूब एग्जाम्पल शेयर करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टीचिंग माई चिल्ड्रन डायरी एंट्री और लेटर राइटिंग एंड आई टॉक अबाउट एन एंट्री आई रोट. और आई हैव गिवन देम अ प्रोजेक्ट एंड आई टेल देम अबाउट हाउ आई फेल्ड व्हेन अ प्रोजेक्ट वाज गिवन टू मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. बट ऑल्सो उसके बाद मैंने ऐसा क्या किया जिसके लिए मैं प्राउड हूँ. लेट चिल्ड्रन फील दैट एवरीबडी हैज बैड डेज, but the winners don't stop there. It will help you develop trust and rapport with your students. Confrontation and assertion. क्लास में बहुत बार शिकायत करना या डांटना जरूरी होता है, and we are nowhere saying don't do that. Just that remember the previous 2 while talking about the 3rd. Some easy starting tips would be to listen carefully what they are saying. And not just the words, but also try to hear जो बच्चे नहीं कह पा रहे. यानी कि अब हम आते हैं नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन पे. नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन कहते हैं द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन कम्युनिकेशन इज टू हियर व्हाट इजंट बीइंग सेड. यानी कि अनकही बातें. ये वो एक चीज है जो एक आम टीचर को एक खास टीचर से अलग करती है. Non-verbal communication refers to communicating without words through body language, gestures, facial expressions, the tone and pitch of the voice, and posture. Body language, smile and posture. आपका कॉन्फिडेंस और आपके स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आपकी कंसर्न, ये दोनों विजिबल होना चाहिए आपके पोस्चर में. आई कॉन्टैक्ट. Easiest trick here will be have eye contact with each student of your class at least once in each period. Try and hold that contact for 3-4 seconds at least. And of course, while listening to somebody, look at them. Decent distance. Decent touch. अगर कोई बात कर रहा है तो instead of shouting their name, just go and stand near them. Just a pat on the back. Just उन्हें ये बताना कि आपको पता है would be sufficient. If you have developed that rapport. This should also be age appropriate. So will change depending upon the class level you teach. Non-intimidating. यानी कि non-hostile. जहाँ एक दूसरे के लिए रिस्पेक्ट और लव हो, डर ना हो. Pauses. सिर्फ बोलते मत रहिए, सुनिए. क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद आंसर करने का वक्त दीजिए. स्टूडेंट्स को अपनी बात कहने के टाइम दीजिए. Alright, great. This will improve your relationship with your students because of so many reasons. Like now we are more flexible, the trust has gone up, instructions are much clearer and less scope for confusion. We appreciate each other and their efforts. The environment is also non-threatening. So we all are learning freely. We have already established that there are many advantages of healthy communication. लेकिन एक बार इन फायदों पे नजर डालते हैं. मॉडल पॉजिटिव कम्युनिकेशन. बच्चे आपको देख के सीखते हैं एंड यू आर मॉडलिंग फॉर देम कि किस तरह जिंदगी भर के लिए हमें कम्युनिकेशन सीखना है. मोटिवेशन. कोई भी प्लानिंग तभी सफल होती है जब उसको निभाने की मोटिवेशन हो, एनकरेजमेंट हो. एक्सेप्टेंस for students and for you. Trust, reflection, relationships, empathy. कुछ टीचर्स को आज भी ऐसा लगता है कि बच्चे को डंडे के नीचे रखना चाहिए. मार का सज़ा का डर बना रहना चाहिए। कई बार जाने अनजाने में हम बच्चों में उनकी सोशल आइडेंटिटी की वजह से भेदभाव भी कर जाते हैं। Please remember that being a teacher can be very easy, but being a loved and truly respected teacher, it's not easy. हमें बच्चों में कॉन्फिडेंस लाना है ना, कि उन्हें बेकार फील कराना है। The moment our focus moves away from our teaching and on students learning, we automatically start moving the right path. चैप्टर खत्म करना मेरा काम नहीं है, उसके कॉन्सेप्ट बच्चे को सिखाना मेरा काम है। तो अगर वो सीख नहीं पा रहे तो completing chapters one after other will not help. Children feel deeply appreciative when they are not judged, rather understood from their own point of view. Statements like, I understand why you said that, but communicates to the child that he or she is not judged for her reaction. So let's just see how maintaining good communication helps. Building trust and better relationships, preventing and resolving problems, providing clarity and direction, increases engagement and productivity, and promotes team building. You know the best part? Communication is a skill. Just like riding a cycle or cooking or swimming. You can always get better at it. The more you try, the better you get. So don't let anybody tell you that you cannot, because when you think you can, you definitely can. We have tried and created a document with examples of commonly used sentences in a class and replaced them with how they could be said. Hope it will help you. Happy learning!